How to contact Picsart Support? Need help from the Picsart team? Let's contact support the right way. First, click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings from here. Then scroll down to find Help Center or Contact Support. From the Help Center, search for your issue or click Submit a request. Fill out the support form with details, screenshot if available, and your email. Click Submit and you receive a confirmation and follow up via email. What issue are you hoping they can help you with? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Be clear and include images when possible. It speeds up the resolution process. And that's how you can contact Picsart Support. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.